So, andito tayo ngayon sa Ivory Wood in Acacia Estates, Taguig City to check this new foreclosed condo. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So this is in the 5th floor area. And this is 83.5 square meters. Around 6.9 million or 84,000 per square meter. This is a corner unit. So pasukin na natin siya. So this is the unit. Total floor area niya is 83.5 square meters. And this is for bidding. Starting bid is around 6.9 million. So this is a 3-bedroom unit. Ayan. So this is the bedroom 1. And then the bedroom 2. Ayan. And bedroom 3. So yung bedroom 3 or the master's bedroom, it has its own bathroom. And as you can see, naka plastic cover pa siya. Okay. And then so, facing Acacia Estates po siya. So, if you're interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. This is as is where is. And dalawa po yung balcony niya. Ito yung isa dito sa my living area. Yan. And as you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. Good as brand new po siya. Hindi po siya nagamit or natirhan because may plastic cover pa yung sink natin. And pati yung ano natin. And yung mga bathroom fixtures natin may plastic cover pa siya. Okay. So again, if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly.